Potatoes farmers face a lot of different challenges in a lot of different areas. They're all very important. But the big one that we struggle with is labor. Finding operators and finding people who are willing to work the hours that it takes to farm. Those are long hours, weekends, nights. So labor is definitely a big issue that we struggle with. The big advantages to this machine is you just require one operator in the field. You can harvest potatoes by yourself. You're reducing a tractor and a piece of equipment in the field. And then you're also reducing the tractor from the harvester since it's self-propelled. You're also able to harvest quicker.